If your video is too short, too fast, or stops before your composition ends, this video shows the correct way to fix it in After Effects. No plugins, no tricks, just time remapping and one simple expression. The file is linked in the description if you want to follow along. Open After Effects. Import your clip and drag it into the timeline to create a composition. Press space to preview the original speed. Press space again to stop. Now select the layer, right-click, go to Time, and choose Enable Time Remapping, or use Ctrl plus Alt plus T. After Effects automatically creates two keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. This controls time. Move the last keyframe to the left to speed up the video. Move it to the right to slow it down. If you move it right and the video stops too early, that means your composition isn't long enough. Go to Composition settings and increase the duration. Now you can extend the layer and move the last keyframe further right without changing the speed. At this point, the video is longer, but it still stops at the last keyframe. To make it loop, we use an expression. Go to Time Remap, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, and click the stopwatch. Type loop out, click outside the text, go back to the beginning and press space. The video now loops endlessly without slowing down or speeding up. Let me show you one small but very useful trick with time remapping. If you want to freeze the first frame or the last frame, go to that frame and add a time remap keyframe. Copy that keyframe and paste it a few seconds later. Now the video holds on that frame and you can still extend the composition or combine it with looping. One of the most important things in After Effects is keyframes. If you want to understand animation properly, watch the keyframes tutorial for beginners next.